Hello techies. In our previous tutorial, we have learned how to create a new FTP directory by using create FTP directory action as part of FTP automation. And also we have seen the required permissions for the particular user to create the FTP directory in FTP server. Alright, now in this tutorial we will learn how to delete the FTP directory which is already available in the particular FTP server. Let me show you a small example over here. If you see on my screen, I have logged in into the 192.168.1.6 FTP server. And if you observe, there are a lot of directories which we have. All right. I want to delete one of the directory from the particular FTP server. So how can we go ahead and delete that? First of all, let me disable this create FTP directory, which we have created in our previous video. Now, let me drag and drop this delete FTP directory onto the workspace. By using this action, we can delete a directory from a particular FTP server, right? Let me drag and drop this onto the workspace. First of all, we'll see the parameters. The parameters for the delete FTP directory action is first one, FTP connection. The FTP server which we are going to connect it, that is FTP connection. If you see in my flow variables, we have FTP connection, the same FTP connection variable, we are going to use it. And the directory to delete over here. If you observe, I want to delete one of the directory. You can see the directory I'm having documents, another one learning test actions, and you can see project Google, project Microsoft, PDF automation, and I'm having directories project 1 and project 2. Now let's assume I want to delete this project 2 directory by using delete FTP directory. Now I'm going to mentioning the same directory name over here as project 2. All right. Now, if you observe, I don't have any variables to produce over here. The output which you are going to get it after deleting that, we don't have any variables produced. All right. Let's click on save. Now, to delete this project to directory by using this delete FTP directory, for the particular user required access for that one, nothing but write permissions we required. If you open once again, open FTP connection, if you see I'm going to use FTP user over here, this user requires write permissions to delete this particular FTP directory. Before that, let me go to IIS. Let me go to the WinFTP server, which we are currently working. And then you can see FTP authorizations. There I am having, you can see the permission for the particular user, that is read and write. Let me show you without the permissions over here, right? Let me go ahead and let me edit the user permissions. I'm going to remove write permissions for the particular user. All right, let me click on OK. Now what will happen whenever you're going to run this particular flow, you can't delete the FTP directory from the particular FTP server. And it is expecting the required permissions for that. All right, we'll see that. Let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. And there you can see I got the runtime error. What is the error says? Cannot delete the directory project 2. Make sure that the directory exists and you have sufficient permissions to delete it. Whereas the particular user, that is FTP user, that what we have, we don't have the right permissions over there to delete the particular FTP directory. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the permissions over here as write permissions for the particular user. Now the permissions, I'm going to give it as write, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now, once again, let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. Now the flow has been executed successfully. Now let me go to the FTP server once again. Let me refresh it once again. Now if we see project 2 directory has been deleted successfully because of the particular user which we are going to use, that is FTP user, having read and write permissions over here, so that the user can create the FTP directory as well as he can delete the FTP directory by using create FTP directory to create it, and also to delete the FTP directory he had the permissions to delete it by using delete FTP directory action. I hope you understand how to work with delete FTP directory action as part of this tutorial. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.